The gentleman from Arlington, Mr. Lopez.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to thank the appropriators for their very hard work on this. I know that both sides of the aisle have done really yeoman's work putting what they think is the right priorities together. And I greatly respect my friend Delegate Jones's position about budgets being out of whack. After spending 21 years working the halls of Congress, I understand and recognize budgets and spending money sort of willy-nilly. This amendment would not put us out of balance. It would not make a huge impact on the unappropriated balance. It is a small amount of money, but it would have a huge impact on the lives of the victims of child abuse. Now, I know I've addressed this already, but it comes down to priorities. In Virginia, a child is abused or severely neglected every 75 minutes, and every 14 days, a child who is neglected or abused dies in Virginia. Last year, there were over 6,200 officially determined child victims of abuse and neglect. The child advocacy centers across Virginia were able to serve 3,700 of them. Now, as I said before, 74% of those victims were victims of sexual abuse. The child advocacy centers play a critical role in protecting children and supporting professionals who respond to child abuse and sexual abuse in our communities. The 18 CACs across Virginia, they serve 40 counties and large cities in Virginia. 40 counties, nearly every corner of Virginia is affected by these incredible organizations. I won't go into the details again, but these safe, child-friendly facilities bring together representatives from many areas under one roof, including law enforcement, child protection, prosecution, mental health, medical and victim advocacy, and child advocacy. They work together to conduct interviews and make team decisions about the investigation, treatment, management, and prosecution of child abuse cases. The increased communication and coordination among these agencies ensures that fewer children will fall through the cracks. Fewer children falling through the cracks. Children who go through the CACs are more likely to receive specialized medical and mental health services. Communities with CACs are also able to more successfully prosecute offenders because of the strength of the collaborative team investigation process. This funding would ensure prosecution for offenders, consistency in follow-up reports, and reductions in re-abuse rates for child victims. Another added benefit in FY 2011, these facilities netted a cost savings in Virginia of $4.9 million. $931,000, netting a cost savings for the Commonwealth of $4.9 million. Only the commitment to maintain funding for CACs can stop child abuse victims from slipping through the cracks again and remove perpetrators from our streets. The proposed biennial budget would completely eliminate all the funding of this program across the Commonwealth. That's only $931,000 in each year of the general fund. This is about priorities. This budget is riddled with misguided priorities. Tax exemptions for movie stars, tax exemptions for the purchase of yachts, and so on. This is about priorities. Are we going to choose to care for the least of these in our Commonwealth? The victims of child abuse, children robbed of their youth. Children robbed of their youth. Or are we going to prioritize yacht tax exemptions for rich folks? Thank you very much.